Our tour today takes us to the exclusive preserve at Sutton Lake. Welcome to 4636 Bonnie Drive. This beautiful Mediterranean-inspired golf course home is on a meticulously landscaped lot on the first hole of the award-winning Turtle Run golf course in Sutton Lake. Our home has a new roof, new skylights and new screen in the lanai, all installed in 2017. The entire yard has been newly landscaped, including new sod, also in 2017. The impressive circular drive has been freshly painted and leads to a full two-car garage with a side drive to a separate golf cart entrance. As your guests arrive, they will be greeted by an impressive tiled entryway with architectural columns and beautiful landscaping. Let's go inside and tour the special home. Once inside, the home opens up, and the open concept split floor plan reveals itself. The formal living area is 22 by 13, with vaulted ceilings. You will be amazed at the view of the lanai area and the golf course beyond. Sliding doors open the space to the outside. The chef of the home will be awestruck at the beautiful yet functional kitchen. There is recessed lighting, granite counters, plenty of storage, and solid wood cabinets, to name just a few of the many features. The kitchen opens to the casual area of the home, which makes it perfect for entertaining. There is a center island with a sink and all new appliances in 2017. The formal dining room has a tray ceiling and stunning crown molding, which creates an elegant setting for those special dining occasions. For those more casual meals, the breakfast nook is just off the kitchen and creates a soothing setting as you look out to the lanai and the golf course beyond. The family room is 15 by 14 and is perfect for the new home theater system or just a quiet place to curl up with a good book. The master suite is a spectacular 18 by 14 with a vaulted tray ceiling, crown molding, lots of windows and a private sliding doors to the lanai. Welcome to your private spa. The bright and sunny master bath has a walk-in shower, soaker tub, and plenty of counter and storage space. Your guests will be comfortable in the 12 by 14 guest bedrooms. The split floor plan design of this home allows your guests to have a private and comfortable stay. Just off the guest rooms is the guest bath, which has a walk-in shower and lots of counter and storage space. The laundry is a spacious 8 by 15 with a skylight, new cabinets, and plenty of counter space. Relax and enjoy the view. Say hello to your friends from your 25 by 14 lanai. If you want some sun, there is also a concrete patio just off the lanai. As first-time buyers to Sutton Lake, you will be eligible for a free 1-year golf membership, which includes both championship courses, tennis and pickleball. Some restrictions apply. This concludes our tour of 4636 Bonnie Drive. We have just scratched the surface of the many features of this stunning home. Please come and experience it for yourself. Thank you for visiting. Goodbye.